Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to clear Spotify recently played. Now, we usually had this feature before like 3 months ago, but this feature disappeared actually recently. So as you can see, if we go here, you can see that we usually could do this by going to recently played, and then we could just locate the song or album, and then we can basically go to three dots and then remove from recently played. Now you basically cannot do that, right? Now what you need to do is you need to go to your settings, you need to go to the social, and then you need to toggle off the option to share your listening activity on Spotify. Now what this will do is this will hide your Spotify recently played, right? And there's really no other way how to do it right now. Usually you just had to go to remove from recently played and that's it, but now you just can't do it that anymore. If you go here to Spotify, we can go to recently played, and as you can see, that is just not the case anymore. You cannot do anything right here. So that's basically how to clear Spotify recently played. If you want to know more about Spotify, about all the other apps, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.